This is the GoPro Fusion released last November of 2017. So it's been 6 years now, guys, and I got this for a good price in the trip market. So let's try to use and check this GoPro Fusion of 6 years. Again, this is a 5.2K resolution. You have a time-lapse photo and yeah, resolution is 5. Again, the resolution is 5.2. Sorry. It's a 5.2K resolution, 25p, 360 camera. So without further ado, let's try to take some sample video using this GoPro Fusion. And guys, so I took some sample indoor videos, 360 videos on this camera, the Fusion, GoPro Fusion. So one day let's try also to take some video, sample video outdoor. And yeah, for $50, it's good. You can charge by USB-C. And yeah, I like the quality. The quality is not bad, and for me, it's good. So you can add to your add as a video clip or support clip from your vlogging and compare for an Insta360 X3 that I have also. Yeah, it's totally different because you have already screen. The time-lapse video is more easy to use and a lot more. So, yeah, but again, GoPro Fusion, it's still good if you got a good deal or good price. So yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. If you want to check the price and availability of 360 Insta, because we have stock from Insta 360 here in AB World, you can check our website www.abworld.com for Insta 360 X3. So yeah, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.